P, Q, and R are points on a circle centre O. So we've got P, Q, and R centre O. Angle ORP, so this angle here is 34. Work out the size of angle PQR, which is this angle here. So, as OP and OR are equal radii because they go from the centre of the circle to the circumference, then the triangle POR, this triangle here, is isosceles, which means that this angle here is also 34 degrees. And therefore, angle POR, this one here, will be equal to 180 minus 2 times 34, which is equal to 112 degrees. So this angle here is 112 degrees. Now, this is the angle at the centre, and this is the angle at the circumference. So you can imagine, if you can drag that right up here, that will be like looking like the familiar theory that you all know. But this time it's been dragged over here. So angle PQR will be a half of POR. The angle at the centre is twice the angle at the circumference, is the rule. So this one here will be half of this angle. So therefore half 112 will be equal to 56 degrees. So this angle here will be 56 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to use the angle at the centre property, and using the fact that a triangle is isosceles in a circle, in this particular circle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.